Hi guys. Okay. So approximately at 4 p.m. today, Bernie Mendoza, Vice President of VCDC, Victor Consunji Development Corp., and Ramo Reyes, both members of Victor Consunji Development Corp., accompanied by the local barangay of Bambang and Taguig, on behalf of Victor Consunji and DMCI, entered my home illegally with no notice, no warrant, and no proper paperwork. They stated that the property is owned by DMCI despite me explaining over the phone on multiple occasions that there is a contract that exists on the property, signed by Bernie Mendoza himself. As you will see in the series of videos that I will post, they entered my home and took videos of personal belongings of those of myself and my family illegally. This is a very real threat and could potentially happen to you on VCDC and DMCI land despite having the correct paperwork in place. After being inside my home, they were furnished with a copy of the contract of which Bernie, representing DMCI and VCDC, then acknowledged. They then laughed very loudly and left the property. Luckily, I was not in the property at the time, as you can see from the video. Unfortunately, my sister and 5-year-old cousin and members of my household staff were subject to harassment and intimidation. As you can hear from the video, they asked if I was present and then proceeded to enter my house with the barangay carrying batons. I fear that if I was there, they would have used them on me. I am currently away on business and I am scared for mine and my family's life. I urge our government and others to please step in and do something immediately. I plead with you and the online community to help me raise awareness that this kind of human rights harassment happens in the Philippines, especially to women, day in and day out.
Bernie Mendoza, Vice President po ng VCDC. Napag-usap po kami since pag-aari po ito ng DMCI ay isi-secure po namin. Ang gagawin lang po namin, papalitan lang po namin yung padlock at kung ano man po yung mga gamit na nasa loob, kung hindi man po sa amin, ay po pwede po imungkahi sa opisina para makuha. Pero sa yun nga po. So, okay. Kaya nga po kami magpapaalam po.
Okay.
At sasabihan po namin na ipapadlock na po namin. Okay. Ready? So, we want to padlock it first. Whatever gamit na nasa loob on the top will stay there until you guys want to take it out.
Does Maggie have the notice?
I think Maggie was supposed to have the notice, but this is a property of DMCI.
Mm-hmm.
We will secure it. Is Maggie in?
No, she's not.
We'll just document what's inside. We have the kagawads of Barangay Bambang with us as witness. Oh, that is video. Romel, si Romel Reyes, si OSC. Okay, so isang kagawad din para videohan itong mga gamit na nasa loob. Tingnan natin hanggang sa may kitchen.
Yeah, Bernie's here, Bernie up there, and he's saying that they're gonna lock the property because it's DMCI property.
Makakit tayo ngayon papunta sa second floor.
May warrant ba para
This is the property of the
He's saying that, what's the warrant for? May I see the warrant?
Not the warrant, ma'am. The property is owned by the
He's saying, could you hear him? But she has a lease on the property.
Is there a contract?
Is there a contract though? There is a contract.
Where is the contract?
Where is the contract? Hang on. Wait.
Is it okay if we...
We'll wait for the
Okay.
because if she has a lease and this is happening, then maybe it shouldn't be happening.
Thank you.
Here's the
Yes? No, sir. No, ma'am. Like I said, since upon advice of our lawyers, yes, we ask permission.
So we're currently outside of the house because there's no electricity inside the house. This is the house, it's pitch black. All of us are outside of the house. The street lights are on. Other people's houses have light. So I don't know what's going on right now.